In this video, I will show you how to convert your normal Android phone into dynamic ILED iPhone 14 Pro like looks. This is the new feature introduced by iPhone, which is dynamic OLED, in which your normal cutouts are the notes are converted into the dynamic way for notifications. So first of all, you have to go to Play Store and search for dynamic spot. Install this application. Open this application. And enable all the permissions needed by this application. Just open the app and press on play button, and normal notes will convert it into dynamic alert.